All right, thanks for joining us today. Today we have a special little project. We figured we'd make a video and have you tag along with us and sharing the experience. So we have our first warranty replacement for Hollon, technically. So technically they're not supposed to have to warranty it, but Hollon went ahead and did us a solid and good, did us a favor, as to say, for our customer, because we're such a good customer of theirs. But customer bought an HS 880. Which is not one of Hollon Safes that are lifetime replacement on burglary. It is on fire, but not on burglary. But after contacting Hollon, they went ahead and said, we're going to take care of it for you this time. And so that's what we're going to be doing this morning. We're going to be taking them a replacement, pulling their destroyed safe out, and putting a new one in. And that's all courtesy of Hollon besides the delivery fee. So let's go tidy up real quick. Me and Lucas are putting the safe in the vehicle. It's already in the vehicle, actually. We're just getting everything straightened up, and then we're gonna hit the road. All right. Not even close. All right, so this is the new replacement courtesy of Hollon. This is the HS 880. Like I said, this is I want to make sure we're making a video on this showing how good Hollon's customer service is, because they didn't have to replace this safe, but they are replacing it. So this is it. Me and Lucas gonna get it. We're gonna unbolt the old safe and then take this one in and bolt it down. All right, let's just lift it up to the height, I guess, and then we'll slide it out. Do you want to get actually, we should unbolt that other one first, yeah? Yeah, let's grab the socket set and stuff, and we'll unbolt that other one. I forgot all about that. We got to get that over the bolt too, that means, you know? Yeah. We're gonna need an airbag, probably. I got an airbag in my trunk too. Alright, let's do it. Okay, so I gotta unbolt this and then lift it up. Alright, so we got the door off, and then Lucas has got it unbolted, so now we're gonna use some airbags to lift this guy up and get the dolly up underneath it so we can haul it away. Yeah, put them both on one side, but leave room so we can get the dolly up under like the corner. We can get the dolly up under like the corner here. And if we need another airbag, I got one in my car too. Good? Okay. Actually, it's not as heavy as I thought it was when I just lifted that up. That's perfect. All right, pull the dolly over here. Oh, this getting wet. Or stained, never mind. Yeah. All right. Ready? Come up underneath it and just watch for the air bumps. 1, 2, 3.
Let me tell it
Actually, I'm under it. Go ahead and move the airbags, actually. I got it, thank you. It's not that bad. I'm just dodging the... I don't know if I can come back down. I'll probably have to pivot it. All right, come on. You can tilt it back, it ain't gonna hurt. You don't weigh enough. I'm glad that's on video. Go ahead. You might be able to get it now. You're right. I'm just interested now, see if you can. No, I can't.
I feel like I can pull it off. I just
Here. Oh yeah, I see. Hold on. All right. Hauling this bad boy away. The hatch door. All right, let me get the door out of the way and stuff. We'll get it in. All right, I'm gonna see if I can tilt this back. 2, 3. straight. There we go. Slippery good. There we go. All right, the new unit is in place. No hole in the side of the safe anymore. And there's the new door. And Lucas is just going to bolt it down. We were able to use the same bolt actually. We just got it right back over the same bolt. So all I was gonna do is bolt it down, put the door on, set their code, and then that's about it. We'll be getting out of here. Let's just leave a video clip of them trying to break into it and not being successful on top of it, playing on like a little Alexa or something. It's not worth your time, guys. There you go. Yeah, make sure to line up with that line there, probably help you the best. All right, so we wrapped up the project with replacing the Hollon Safe for our customer. That was a HS series. I believe it was either 750 or an 880, I can't remember. But anyway, we contacted Hollon when it originally happened. They said, you know, usually we don't replace this one on burglary because it's not rated for that. But they went ahead and took care of us anyway, since we're a good customer. And this customer just bought a few of these safes from us. So they peeled open the safe, as you can see in the video. They tried to hammer away at the concrete, and then basically the tool gave out on them, and then it had to take off. So we got in there and swapped it out for the customer. The customer's happy. Hollon did us a solid, so we appreciate it. Thank you, Hollon, for standing by our products. And thanks for tuning in again to another video here on our YouTube channel. Don't forget to subscribe to all three of our channels: Guardian Safe and Lock, Udropreneur, and Guardian Approved. And thanks for following us, and thanks for tuning in.